and welcome to the Warrior Trading Channel. Today, we're going to explore one of the most popular momentum indicators in trading, the Williams %R indicator. This indicator is designed to measure the level of the close relative to the high-low range over a given period of time. In this video using the period 18, the Williams %R indicator is a technical analysis tool developed by Larry Williams. It's a momentum indicator that measures the level of the close relative to the high-low range over a given period of time. This video is divided in two parts. Number 1. How to interpret the Williams %R indicator. Number 2. My strategy. Number 1. How to interpret the Williams %R indicator. Overbought condition asterisk. When the Williams %R indicator is below -20, it's an overbought condition, indicating that the asset's price is likely to fall. Oversold condition. When the Williams %R indicator is above -80. It's an oversold condition, indicating that the asset's price is likely to rise. Bullish divergence. When the Williams %R indicator forms a higher low while the asset's price forms a lower low, it's a bullish divergence, indicating that the asset's price is likely to rise. Bearish divergence asterisk. When the Williams %R indicator forms a lower high while the asset's price forms a higher high, it's a bearish divergence, indicating that the asset's price is likely to fall. Number 2. My strategy. Mean reversion strategy asterisk. Buy when the Williams %R indicator is in the oversold region, above -80, and sell when it's in the overbought region, below -20. Momentum strategy. Buy when the Williams %R indicator is below -20 and rising, and sell when it's above -80 and falling. Divergence-based strategy asterisk. Buy when the Williams %R indicator forms a bullish divergence, and sell when it forms a bearish divergence. The Williams %R indicator is a powerful tool for traders, helping you identify overbought and oversold conditions, spot potential divergences, and make informed trading decisions. Remember to always combine the Williams %R indicator with other technical and fundamental analysis tools to maximize your trading success. Subscribe to our channel and see the trades. information on the Williams percent R indicator and other technical indicators, check out our website and social media channels. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tutorials and analysis. Boost your trading success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading insights. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegrams for more videos and updates.